Hello everyone, to my Amities. First of all, I just want to say thank you for the wonderful school year together. Alam nyo naman na from the very start ay isa kayo sa mga favorite kong section kasi lahat kayo ay excellent. So, pinapatunayan nyo na kayo ay isa sa mga best section sa grade 10. Isang proof dito ay yung mga winnings natin sa mga contest. That's why I am so proud of you guys. Then maraming salamat din sa mga memories natin together. Through ups and downs, still pinapakita nyo sa akin na you are the best. That's why a big salute sa inyong lahat. Sa inyong nalalapit na moving up, I just want to say congratulations for a job well done. And of course, nagpapasalamat na rin ako for being part of my teaching career, and of course I will treasure that forever. Alam nyo naman na mahal ko kayong lahat, and of course good luck sa inyong journey sa senior high school. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Again, I am proud to say I am Amethyst.
Amethyst, sana patuloy nyo pa yung pagiging magaling na students. The same way, nababalance din yung academic nyo and extracurricular. And sana wag mawala yung passion nyo sa mga ginagawa ninyo at pagbundihan nyo pa sa senior high. Yan lang.
Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Mainit man ang panahon, alam ko naging mainit din ang pagtanggap ninyo sa akin. Sa loob ng 2 markahang ating pinagsamahan, nakita ko sa inyo 10 Amethyst ang pagpupursiging makamit ang mga bagay. Lalo na sa inyong ikatututo. Naroon ang alab at pagmamahal sa bawat craft na inyong ginagawa. Kaya huwag kayong matakot na suungin ang mga bagay-bagay. May kaakibat man yung pagsubok sa buhay. Magpakatatag kayo sa hamon ng buhay. Patuloy kayong mangarap, ngunit huwag niyong hayaang maging drawing ang mga pangarap na iyon. Fly high, reach your dream and go for it. Tandaan, ang edukasyon lamang ang tanging may pamamana ng inyong mga magulang para sa inyo. At alalahanin, ang mga kaalaman na inyong matututunan ay hindi mananakaw ninuman. I love you, 10 Amethyst.
Hello! Good afternoon sa lahat ng mga Amethyst sections na nagkasama ko ng 2 quarter. Happy ako sa inyo at kayo ang pinaka-the best kong estudyante. Okay, miss you all guys. Love you.
Congratulations, Amethyst. Keep up the good work. You did a very good job for school year 2024-2025. May you continue your journey despite all the struggles that you may encounter. Never no turning back. Okay. Keep pushing, keep the enthusiasm and hope in pursuing your goal. Never forget that God is always with you all. Don't make your problems, struggles be the reason to stop your journey. Okay? See you all guys on the next chapter of your life. Never forget our school once you achieve your goal. Congratulations once again.
Hi to my grade 10 students. So as your teacher, I've always witnessed your dedication, your struggles, and your triumphs. And I am especially proud of your commitment to your studies sa kabila ng napakaraming extracurricular activities na sinasalihan nyo. The energy and the effort that you pour are truly commendable. And I believe that each of you possesses a unique gift and talent. You never fail to amaze me every day with your kindness and welcoming spirit. So before this school year ends, I would like you to remember these few things. First is don't be afraid to embrace your challenges. because they are the stepping stones to your growth and your success. Don't be afraid of failure and disappointment, dahil hindi naman palaging nakaayon yung panahon sa mga plano natin sa buhay. Instead, make them a fuel or an inspiration rather for your success. And don't stop believing in yourselves. Even sometimes, doubt creeps in. And always remember, the journey may be long and have a lot of struggles, but the destination, your dreams, is worth every step. I have no doubt that you will all succeed in the future, and I am super proud of you. And I am always rooting for you, my grade 10 Amethyst.
Ayan. So, good evening, Amethyst. So, medyo late na rin. So, paglihin ko na lang tong message ko para sa inyo. Okay? First of all, I would like to congratulate you for making this far. Okay? Nasa dulo na tayo ng journey nyo as a junior high school student. Okay? Marami tayong napagdaan ng stress, struggles, challenges. Pero ang importante, hindi tayo sumuko at nagpatuloy tayo papunta sa ating mga pangarap. Within the 2 months na magkakasama tayo bilang student teacher nyo, masasabi ko na matalino kayong lahat. No doubt, matataas yung quizzes nyo, performance tasks, lahat matataas. And magagaling talaga kayong mga estudyante. Now, when it comes to attitude, wala naman akong problema sa inyo. Mabait naman po kayong mga estudyante, friendly, and respectful, syempre. Ang na-observean ko lang talaga sa inyo is kapag nagdi-discuss tayo, nakikita ko sa inyo nag-aalangan kayo sumagot or nagdadalawang isip sumagot. Siguro nahihiya or natakot magkamali. Is it okay to commit mistakes? Of course. Kasi itong mistakes na to, ito po yung guidance natin for improvements. Lagi nyo tatandaan yan. Hindi naman po tayo mga perfect na mga tao na di na dapat kailangan magkamali, no? So, i-remind ko na lang kayo sa isang gasgas na kasabihan. Lagi nyong naririnig to. Always believe in yourself and your ability to grow, because every challenge you face is an opportunity to learn. And always remember, guys, na progress is more important than perfection. Yun lang.
So, sa aking mga anak na Amethyst, so this is your journey as a graded student. So remember that every struggle is an opportunity for you to grow, to learn, and to become a better person of yourself. So don't be afraid to try new things or take risks. It is those moments that you'll discover your strength and your true potential. Remember that your worth and value come not only from your grades or your achievements or even your accomplishments, but from who you are as a person. Believe in yourself and make your dreams a reality. And most importantly, surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, encourage you to chase your dream and never give up. And of course, that is your family. So go ahead, dream big, work hard, and of course, fulfill your goals. Keep shining, mga anak. Good luck.